Hello from this fantastic beach in Riga, Latvia. This is JURMALA, and Beach Adventures with Kris are exploring the Latvian beaches for the first time. And actually it is not my first time in Riga, Latvia. I was here for a cruise just briefly and exploring just the city. 7 or 8 years ago, was it? I don't really remember exactly. But now I'm here for 3 full days to explore the beaches of Latvia, but also I'm gonna explore parts of the city as I'm staying in the central part of Riga. So I had an early morning flight. I arrived, so the flight was at 5:45 and it was only like 57-minute flight. So the flight it's like, it was so short, like I didn't even actually thought that I was on a plane. And then I came here to the beach like right at 9 o'clock, but the time here is 1 hour forward. So yeah, it's actually so it's very easy and very fast to get from Stockholm to Riga. And here I am at JURMALA beach, and there is an interesting building where I'm here, right in the middle of the beach, that is abandoned, and it's a huge sandy area as well on this part, with some forest as well. On the other side we have some football courts, beach football of course, and volleyball courts as well. And yes, the sea looks interesting, and I have already checked on the satellite measurements. It is 12.2 degrees Celsius in the sea, so it means that it's gonna be an interesting swim indeed. So yes, beach adventures with Kris in Latvia, and I hope you will enjoy the episodes from here as well. The weather will be awesome. I was a bit skeptical when I booked this trip a few months ago. I was like, Latvia has a bit of a worse weather than Sweden, but now it proved me wrong, because it is warmer and sunnier in Riga right now than in Stockholm. All right, then let's start off with the first swim ever for me in Latvia, the Baltic state of Latvia. And yeah, then just head to the water, and we have many people walking by. I saw only one person taking a swim, but and the sand is amazing indeed. But when you go towards the water, I see it's a bit strange that you need to pass through this type of clay, is it, or I don't know, but it's not the same as the white sand over there that you have seen before. So let's see. Yeah, it doesn't feel that good on the legs at this point, but anyway, let's continue. And right now we are at the water, the sea, the Baltic Sea, as they are called, Baltic states, Latvia, Lithuania and Estonia. And it is very shallow stuff here, so look at that. And this is a huge beach. It's very long. It's very long. I'm now right around the middle of the beach, but it is extremely huge indeed. Now let's see how shallow this water is, because here I see another small island. Indeed. Yep. Let's see if we will be able to take a swim, because I see only shallow water here. See? And it's quite cold actually. Isn't this really 12 degrees? I started to doubt if that's the case. So let's walk Now I am 100 meters away from my backpack, but I'm watching it because all my stuff is in there, including passport, phone, and cards that I need to buy stuff. Okay, now we're getting deeper. That's good, that's good, that's good. So yes, I didn't mention the day is 24th of May. Right now it is almost 10 a.m. and it is 21 degrees Celsius in the air and 12.2 in the Baltic Sea. This is JURMALA beach in Riga, Latvia, and now it's time to take the first swim ever for me in Latvia. So let's go! Yeah, it's amazing and salty, a bit chilly, but it's quite good. It's quite good and refreshing the start of the day. I'm gonna be actually roaming around the beach today all day long. This is quite a long beach, and there are other places, other spots that are named differently, as the whole beach is quite huge as such, so it is divided into different sections. So there will be more episodes for sure. So yeah, cool. Yes, then that's a wrap from the main part. I'm gonna guide you through back to the beach then at the end of the video. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Greetings from JURMALA beach in Riga, and stay tuned for more beach adventures on my channel, Beach Adventures with Kris.